Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. So the OnePlus 10 Pro launch is scheduled to take place on today. Here is the hand-on video before the launch, and the company has confirmed some key specifications and features ahead of the event. There is currently no official word on India launch, but it is expected in March or April. OnePlus will announce the pricing and availability details of the device at the launch in China. However, rumors suggest that the base variant will come with a price set between $470 and $630. The pricing is too good to be true, so take it with a pinch of salt while we wait. As far as variants go, the OnePlus 10 Pro will launch in 3 configurations: 8GB plus 128GB, 8GB plus 256GB, and 12GB plus 256GB as per the rumor mill. The phone will come with a 120Hz Fluid AMOLED display. It is expected to sport a 6.7-inch 2K screen with curved sides and a hole punch cutout. There will be a 32MP front camera for selfies and video calls. The phone will come with a triple camera setup on the back. The OnePlus 10 Pro camera module design was confirmed earlier this month. It has a ceramic finish and merges into the metal chassis to offer a seamless look. The camera module has a 48MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide camera, and an 8MP telephoto camera. The rear camera will support optical image stabilization. Powering the OnePlus 10 Pro is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC, which is based on a 4nm process. The chipset has a peak clock speed of 3.0 GHz and comes with 3 performance cores clocked at 2.85 GHz along with 4 efficiency cores clocked at 1.79 GHz. The phone will pack a 5000 mAh cell. It is confirmed to support 80W SuperVOC wired fast charging and 50W wireless charging via Oppo's proprietary Air VOC charging tech. Alongside revealing the front design of OnePlus 10 Pro, the company has confirmed that the smartphone will run on Oppo's custom ColorOS 12.1 out of the box. The new skin will include Emoji, Oppo's answer to Apple's Animoji and Samsung's AR emoji. The feature essentially uses software algorithms to capture the face of the user and create their 3D avatar. It was introduced in ColorOS 12 last year. It seems to have narrow bezels on left and right sides and a curved design. OnePlus 10 Pro also appears to have a thinner chin and a higher screen-to-body ratio over what we have on the OnePlus 9 Pro. Well, without being said, let me know what you expected to see on the OnePlus 10 Pro in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.